Hi there, hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I decided to do the review of the jewelry box by My Envy Box and Nimai, and it's for the month March 2016. So this is how it looks like. It's just like a jewelry box, velvety, navy blue, royal blue, sort of a jewelry box. And inside there's a mirror, quite a big mirror, and the rest of the jewelry is inside. So this has got quite a depth, so you can actually store a lot of things inside this. It's pretty big. I mean, it's a very good box and looks lovely as well. So yeah, so how this jewelry box actually works is like you can go to the website and buy a 1 month, 3 month or 6 month subscription, and each box, I believe it costs around, monthly box, I think it costs around 2500 or 2800. I'm not sure. I put down the price, exact cost. And every time the worth of this box would lie around 7000 to 12000. So for 28 or 2500 you are getting like a lot of worth of product. And this month's March month's is around, I think the cost worth is around 8000 rupees. That's how much its worth is. So 3 things are there in this box. The first thing that is there is this ring. I'll just put it on and show it. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So it's a monochrome sort of a ring. Okay, and this is by Zareen. And this ring is handcrafted. It costs rupees 2800, and it is crafted of black onyx and holite stones set against erotic gold. Yeah, so this is what it is made up of, and it looks really good. It is a whitish and a black stone. Okay, so yeah, and it looks lovely. It's a monochrome sort of a thing, and it goes with everything. I think it'll go with your Western and Indian as well, and you don't really have to think about the color of the outfit because it's black and white, so it matches with everything, and it looks really good. I mean, like, if you just wear it on your finger, I mean, it will make you look like really good. So it's a very good accessory. I really like this piece. The second thing is these accessories, these pair of earrings. Okay, and these are by Malika, and they again cost rupees 2800, and these are brass findings and chains that are hand assembled together to create a perfect pair of shoulder duster earrings. So this is how it looks like. This is made up of brass and it's handmade. So I'll just quickly put them on and show it to you. Yeah, so yeah, this is how it looks like, and it looks really good. I think it's looking really pretty, and I think it will go again with both Western and Indian. Western, if you want to like go to a party with a black dress, at a long black dress, I think it will look really good. So it's really pretty. The statement earring piece. Okay, so this is the second thing. And the third thing, last thing, is this brass neck piece. Okay, and this is by Dhora, and it costs 2500 rupees. It's a beaten brass pendant and chain that is buffed and gold polished. Okay, so this costs 2500 rupees, and this is how it looks like. It's a square shaped brass metal piece, and I don't think you can see it. This is how it will look like. It's not very long. It's not a very long chain, so it will come to about over here. Okay, so this is how it look, and I think it will look lovely with a plain kurti, something of the sort. So yeah, these are the 3 things in this month's jewelry box by My Envy Box for March 2016, and I really like the earrings and this ring. I really like them both. They are my favorites. Okay, so yeah, so that's my review, and hope you liked it. So please do comment and subscribe, and have a lovely day, and thanks for watching.